Hi, I'm Maurice Arenas. I'm a recording artist, studio musician, and TrueFire instructor, and I'm going to show you how to get a thrash metal sound with two pedals. Okay, so now I'm just using a Gibson SG stock. I'm going to turn the two pedals off. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Now I'm going to turn the SG back on, put the volume on. Dry sound. And it's going through a Fender 20-watt amplifier. Okay, so that was just a dry sound. No anything. Flat as well. First pedal, which is the last in the chain, is the Matero Goldenresortes, which is the reverb. I have everything set low, so you don't get much reverb, just a little bit, okay? You can kind of hear it a little bit of a slapback. And then I turn on the, you can kind of hear it there. Then I turn on the Cuchillo, which is the distortion. And for the distortion, I have the mids completely taken out, which is what they would do back in those days. You know, I'm thinking Metallica, Ride the Lightning, and stuff like that, Pantera. The mids would be scooped, as they say. You would turn the mids all the way down, and highs and lows would be boosted. Gains jacked all the way up. And now I've got my distortion again. And two pedals. Isn't that great?